I'm testing 3 creative and unique hot dog recipes. Stick around to see if these are any good and worth trying. Our 3 creative hot dog creations is a Carolina chili slaw dog. Then we've got a grilled cheese hot dog, and then we've got a mac and cheese hot dog. This is gonna be very interesting to test out and see if any of these are any good. So here's what we're gonna do. We are going to show you and prepare the hot dogs and then fire up the grill and get going. Well, today we're using one of my favorites, Nathan's Jumbo restaurant style all beef hot dogs. These are delicious. I like to use the Slaw Dog to put diamond cuts on the hot dog. I'll kind of show you what that looks like. You can use a knife, but then you don't have to use the Slaw Dog if you don't have one. But yeah, you can kind of see the cuts here. You can go as deep as you want. You can do both sides or do one. I find just doing one side, or if you kind of go halfway on both sides, it doesn't completely fall apart. But you can take a knife and just slice some cuts in it to kind of get some great grill marks on it. And that's pretty much all we're gonna do. Now we fired up the Kamado Joe here. This is the junior because this is a quick cook. I'm using the soapstone to get some good sear marks. And we got this up to 350 to almost 400 degrees. So we're ready to start searing these hot dogs. I use the Grill Blazer grill torch to fire it up. Lights my charcoal in 60 seconds. It's pretty awesome. So something to check out if you don't have it. But we're just gonna cook these dogs until we get the right color we're looking for and good internal temperature. Now, put in the comments, how do you like your hot dogs? Do you like it kind of crispy? You like it kind of charred, barely charred, no char, completely charred? How do you like your dog? Because we're gonna try to cook these pretty much all the same, where it's kind of a medium char and cooked all the way through. And then we are gonna prepare each hot dog after this. This is the first step, is just cooking the dogs on the Joe Jr. Now you can use a griddle directly on the grill grates, whatever you want to use to cook your hot dog. It really just doesn't matter. I like using this. Let's build the Slaw Dog first. Now this was inspired by my father-in-law, who owned his own hot dog and hamburger joint, and he was inspired by a few other restaurants in Oklahoma in the early 40s as well to make a Slaw Dog. Now I also love Carolina pulled pork, so this mustard-based slaw is also an inspiration to making a Carolina chili dog and slaw dog. So that's what we're gonna do. Is you can toast your buns if you want, but we're gonna put on just a little chili. I've got a few chili recipes that you can follow. We're gonna put the dog in here, a slot dog in here just like that. And then we are going to just take some of this chili. See if I can get some good chunks there. And we're gonna put that chili on there. Oh yeah, come on now. Oh yeah, there we go. There is some chili. And then we are going to top it off with this Carolina mustard slaw. And now this is green cabbage, this is some sugar, this is mustard, my Dust Bowl seasoning. You can check out YouTube for that seasoning as well. And we mix this together, and then also sliced carrots. And my friends, I think this is gonna be a messy and delicious dog. Stay tuned. Towards the end, we're gonna save some of these. My gosh, this is gonna be messy and I wanna eat it now. The mac and cheese hot dog. This was inspired by a food truck here in Oklahoma City from Mike's. I think it Rad's Hot Dog. Oh man, I think this is gonna be delicious. The concept is this regular hot dog, topped it with mac and cheese. So I just made a quick mac and cheese. I do have a mac and cheese video on my channel you can check out. And then you take some spicy Cheetos, and then you just hit it as hard as you can, get it almost like dust. Use a pizza roll, and you can do that pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and take a slot dog here, put it in the bun. Then we are going to take some of this mac and cheese, And we're just gonna scoop some cheese, mac and cheese on here. Oh yeah. My gosh. I think that's gonna be really good. This way. A dog this way. All right, team, it's time for the grilled cheese hot dog. This is inspired by my friend at Chili's and Smoke, Brad. Did this on Instagram as well. This was a fun one, but we're gonna test it out live with you today. So again, take a bun here and open it up, and kind of the first step of this. I think I'm gonna go this other bun here. There we go, better bun. So you can toast these if you want, but because of all the stuff I have on here, I like it soft with everything else. That's personal preference. And so the first step here is you could put a little sliced jalapeno here. I'm only gonna do 2. I also did relish on my Instagram one, but today I'm gonna do the jalapeno, but I took out the seeds because I don't like it too spicy. And then we're gonna do a layer mixed with my dust bowl and shredded cheese with mozzarella and some Colby Jack mixed together. And we're gonna put a layer of that on here. Then we're gonna place the dog there, and then another layer of cheese. And you wanna get a healthy amount on here, I learned. And because we're gonna smash this down directly on the soapstone or your griddle, and it's gonna give it a nice crust. So now we take this cheese and we put it directly, and actually before I do this, a little anticipation, I'm gonna grease this up one more time a little bit, and then also before I throw this on, I'm gonna also put some butter on there. Woo, buddy. Dog, and we're just gonna smash it in there. Get you close up. Once it's nicely crusted, woo, we'll be ready to go. All right, team, hot dog creations are done. The Slaw Dog's ready. We got the mac and cheese chili dog. We got the grilled cheese hot dog. We're gonna just start with the first one here, the least messy. I'm gonna go this direction here. Next up, mac and cheese with a little sprinkled hot Cheeto dust. All right, Slaw Dog, 2 hands, it's so messy. All right, quick rating. My favorite hot dog is the Slaw Dog because I love the Carolina punch. I love the juiciness of it. All the flavors come together. Chili, slaw, the dog, it's good. Second is grilled cheese hot dog. It's that American classic done differently. It's not as messy, but I'm not dinging, I'm not putting it at second place because it's not messy. It's just really good. Third place is mac and cheese. I was underwhelmed with the flavor. I probably could have made the mac and cheese even creamier to make it, I think, maybe more flavorful. I love the concept. I'm not sure I executed it great, or I think maybe more creamy mac and cheese would have done it. But if I'm gonna put it in order based on how I created it, Slaw Dog #1, grilled cheese, and then mac and cheese as the third dog. Tell me in the comments if you're trying one of these creative creations of hot dogs. It's grilling season this summer. We want to hear from you and which one you would do, and what are other creative hot dog recipes you've done that you love serving in your backyard. Friends, if you're more interested in videos on this channel related to the griddle, I've got a really fun griddle recipe I'll put right up here for you to check out. Again, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.